Hi, I'm Dovidas from Ecowood Group. We manufacture and install oak floors, doors, and stairs according to your individual orders. This means that we start working after learning exactly what you need. We tailor everything for your home, office, or any other space. It starts with accurate measurements. Every detail counts. After all, we want the final result to be precise and of the highest quality. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you how to determine the correct door swing direction and how to measure the door opening. You can call a professional, but you can also do this yourself. Even in new buildings, the door openings can vary. We typically measure them with a laser, but we can also use a simple measuring tool. When manufacturing doors, it's important to know the door swing direction, as well as three key dimensions: the height and width of the door opening and the thickness of the wall. Let's start by determining the door swing direction. The door can be left-handed or right-handed. If, when opening the door towards yourself, you see the hinges on the right, the door is right-handed. If the hinges are on the left, the door is left-handed. Once we know the door swing direction, we can start measuring. First, let's measure the height of the door opening on both sides. Don't forget to consider the thickness of the future floor covering. For example, there may be parquet or tiles to be installed that are not yet there at the time of the measurement. Determine the average. Next, measure the width of the opening. We do this at 3 points, the top, middle, and bottom. Again, determine the average. The most important part is the thickness of the wall, which is also measured at 3 points: the top, middle, and bottom. For a perfect result, the measurements must not vary by more than 2 millimeters. However, if the walls are plastered or concrete, the difference will often be greater. This means gaps will remain when installing the door frame. That's why we suggest that you level the walls. When measuring the thickness of a bathroom opening, do not forget to take into account the thickness of the future wall finishing. For example, if tiles will be applied. The more accurately that the opening is measured, the better the door will be made. It will function for decades, providing acoustic and thermal insulation. If you are planning to replace an existing door, to measure the door opening, you'll have to remove the existing door frame. This will allow you to measure the door opening correctly. That's all for now. See you later, when we'll share our experience and tell you more about what we do.